Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Amiruddin and everyone. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this presentation. Today, I'm very excited to discuss the extraordinary animated film, Mufasa the Lion King, with a special focus on the character Mufasa. I would like to invite all of us to explore the various dimensions of this film, which not only offer entertainment but also contain valuable lessons about life, leadership, and family relationship. The film The Lion King was first released in 1994, and since then it has become one of the most iconic animated works in film history. The story revolves around life in the Africa savanna and follows the journey of a young lion named Simba, who struggled to find his identity after losing his father. Mufasa, who is the king of the jungle. Mufasa not only plays the role of father to Simba, but also serves as a figure who provides guidance and example, teaching important values about courage, responsibility, and love. One of the most impressive moments in the film is when Mufasa teaches Simba about the circle of life. This concept underscores the impact of every creature in the ecosystem and how they depend on each other. In a world that often seems harsh and full of challenges, Mufasa teaching reminds us that each individual has their own role to play and that we must appreciate and protect the life around us. When we look back at Simba's journey, we can also feel the impact of the loss he experienced. Mufasa, who was framed and was a pillar of strength for Simba. The loss of this important figure was not only painful for Simba, but also illustrates how loss can trigger a journey of self-discovery. Mufasa remained present in Simba's memory, providing encouragement and inspiration even though he is physically gone. This teaches us that the love and lesson given by our loved ones can continue to live within us, even after they are gone. In addition, Mufasa's character also reflects the value of true leadership. He is a leader who rules not only with strength, but also with compassion and wisdom. Mufasa saw that a true leader is one who is able to listen, understand, and inspire the people around them. In the context of daily life, we can apply this principle in the way we interact with others. whether in the family, workplace, or community. Equally important, the relationship between Mufasa and Simba depicts the genuine love between a father and son. Mufasa always supports Simba, even in difficult situations. The moment when Mufasa gives advice and support to Simba are very touching and remind us of the importance of strong family relationship. In a world full of challenge, support from love, one can be an incredible source of strength. In conclusion, The Lion King and the character Mufasa teach us profound life lessons about love, loss, and growth. Mufasa not only serves as a character in the story, but also as a symbol of the value we should uphold in living our life. Let's bring the lesson from Mufasa into our daily life, appreciating every moment, supporting one another, and being good leader in our environment. So, thank you for your attention. I hope this provides inspiration and a deeper understanding of this film. Hello everyone! When you hear the word leader, what comes to your mind? Should a leader be strong, wise, or compassionate? In Mufasa, the Lion King, we are invited to see how a wise leader not only relies on strength but also on heart full of love to care for and protect the people he loves. Mufasa teaches us that sometimes being a leader means making difficult decisions and setting a good example for others. Additionally, this film also reminds us that family is a place where we receive support and strength. To overcome challenges in life, through this story, we can learn to appreciate the relationship we have more, and how courage and love can carry us through challenging times. As discussed earlier, now we will talk about the movie Mufasa the Lion King. This film tells the story of Simba, a lion cub destined to become king. Mufasa, as the wise king, teaches Simba the value of leadership and responsibility. However, after the tragic death of Mufasa due to Scar betrayal, Simba feels guilty and runs away. He eventually returned to the Pride Lands to reclaim his throne and fulfill his destiny as a king. Mufasa the Lion King is a musical drama film created by combining in live action filmmaking technique with realistic computer generated imagery. The film was directed by Barry Jenkins with a script written by Jeff Nathanson. Mufasa The Lion King is both a sequel and prequel to the 2019 remake of The Lion King, telling the story of Mustafa's life when he was young. This is certainly a strong word anticipating, considering that The Lion King did not provide a comprehensive account of Mufasa's life, who was killed by Scar. Several voice actors who starred in the previous film returned, such as Donald Glover, Seth Rogen, Billy Eichner, John Kenny, and Bjorn Knowles. Several new characters will also be voiced by Aaron Pierce, Calvin Harrison, Tiffany Bonnie, Mads Mikkelsen, Tendai Newton, and Blue Ivy Carter. Mufasa the Lion King tells the story of Mufasa as a young lion who lost his parents and his pride on the savanna plains of the African continent. Living alone made Mufasa often fight with other animals and other lion groups he encountered just to survive. One day, Mufasa meets Taka, a young lion who was the heir to the throne of the kingdom. Mufasa and Taka, similar trait created a brotherly and bonds between them in facing the existing problem. While wandering, Mufasa and Taka encountered another pride of lion led by Sarabi. They felt after briefly entering the territory of Kiro, an ambition with lion who want to dominate the entire African land. Realizing his destiny as the Lion King, Mufasa and Taka intended to help Sarabi and her pride. However, Mufasa and Taka must prepare to face Kiro, who is coming with his army to Pride Land. In the film The Lion King, the character Mufasa plays an important role in various narrative elements that shape the story. Here are some of the main narrative elements related to Mufasa: theme, conflict, character, setting, symbolism, and last but not least, narrative point of view. Mufasa is an example of a strong and positive character. He is depicted as loving, wise, and responsibility father. Through his dialogue and interaction with Simba, we see how Mustafa built Simba character and teach the importance of courage and integrity. And next is the theme: conflict, character, setting, symbolic, narrative point of view that cannot be missed. So the first one is theme. The very strong theme this film is the cycle of life. Mustafa explained to Simba that every creature has its own role in the ecosystem. This reflects the relationship between life and death, as well as the importance of respecting all creatures. The second is conflict. Mufasa faced the main conflict with Scar, his brother, who feels enthusiasm and ambition to seize the throne. This conflict is not only physical, but also emotional. Mustafa must protect his family and kingdom from Scar betrayal. This tension becomes the main driving force in the story, influencing Simba's journey and the development of other characters. The third is character development. Mufasa served as a mentor to Simba, imparting important lessons about courage, responsibility, and the meaning of being a king. Mufasa character development is particularly filled through flashbacks and memories that Simba has after Mufasa's death. This show the profound influence Mufasa had on Simba, who continued to guide him even in his absence. The fourth is setting. African savanna, the setting of this film, emphasizes the natural beauty that serves as the backdrop for the life of Mufasa and Simba. This environment adds depth to the story, depicting the relationship between the character and nature. Five is symbol. Mufasa is symbol of the cycle of life and the balance of nature. His teaching about how every creature has its role in the ecosystem convey a profound message about sustainability and interdependence. This is last but not least, narrative point of view. Mufasa also helps shape the story perspective through his interaction with Simba and other characters. His dialogue provides important insight to the audience about the value he holds. Overall, these narrative elements are interconnected and create a story rich in meaning, highlighting the importance of love, responsibility, and the learning process in life. Mufasa, as a symbol of wisdom and leadership, remain a memorable inspiration in the heart of many people. For the next social issue, the film The Lion King not only presents an entertaining story, but also touch on various relevant social issues. Here are some social issues that can be identified in the film. There are several social issues that we can observe. Namely, the first one is leadership and responsibility. Mufasa exemplifies good leadership. He is not only powerful, but also responsible for protecting and nurturing all creatures in Pride Land. This reflects the social issue of how leadership should act with integrity and prioritize the well-being of their community. The second is family and relationship. The family dynamic between Mufasa, Simba, and Scar illustrate the challenge is family relationship. When Scar feels jealous and betrayed, Mufasa it creates conflict that can lead to betrayal within the family. This issue underscores the importance of communication and supporting one another within the family. The threat is life and death. Mufasa teaches Simba about the circle of life, which includes acceptance of death. This issue touches on how individual and society face loss and death, as well as the importance of respecting the natural cycle of life. The fourth is loss and trauma. Impact of trauma. The loss of Mufasa caused trauma for Simba, affecting his self-confidence. This issue raises the theme of how individuals cope with loss and the emotional impact it causes. The fifth is environment and ecosystem. This film conveys a message about the importance of maintaining the balance of nature. The concept of the circle of life, taught by Mustafa, shows the interdependence between all living beings, reminding us for our responsibility toward the environment. The last is tradition and cultural heritage. The importance of tradition, the value passed down from generation to generation, in this film highlight the significance of tradition and cultural heritage in shaping individual and society. Now, it's time to move to the cultural element. The cultural element vibes visible in this film is the traditional value upheld by the animal community in the park life. Here are some cultural elements that can be identified in this film. The first one is background of African culture. Next, the concept of circle of life. The third is family, value, and relationship. The fourth, leadership and responsibility. The five, symbolism in nature. And last, teaching and learning. Mufasa explained the importance of tradition and how each generation has the responsibility and swear to continue that legacy. So, as you can see, I have the video about Mufasa. You can watch this film. The conclusion, The Lion King not just an animated film, but also convey a deep message about life, responsibility, and family values. The character Mufasa serves as a role model for many, teaching us about the power of love, loss, and responsibility in leadership. By addressing these universal themes, the film remains relevant and inspires audience from various generations. Thank you for attention. I hope this presentation can provide a deeper understanding of the film The Lion King and the character Mufasa. I conclude wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.